What's up everyone and welcome to the club. Today we're drawing Jeffy the elf from Super Mario Logan. Let's begin today's lesson in the center page and draw two large circles for the eyes. Now I want to start with the one on the left. We'll start from the very top, come all the way around towards the bottom of the eye, and then back up towards the top. Let's leave a large gap in between the eyes and draw the same size circle on the right. So we start by lining up the top. We want to bring that down towards the same height, and then back up. Now let's fold the eyelids on top of the eyes. We're going to start from the left side. We're just going to bend this up and then in, line this up on the right, going out and then down towards the right side. Let's tuck the pupils underneath the eyelid on the outside of the eye. So we're going to start on the left, draw a half circle, coming down and then up, and line that up on the right side. And then in the center, draw a small half circle and fill that in black. Let's move in between the eyes and draw a larger circle for the nose. So we're going to start right in the middle, go all the way around, come down, and then back up. Let's stick a candy cane underneath the left side of the nose. So we're going to start down here with a straight angled line coming down. Let's round this out and pull that back up. Let's round out the tip of the cane. That's going to follow that curve along the outside, going all the way around and then back up underneath the nose. We're going to add those stripes inside the cane. So go straight across from the top. Now as you come down, we're just going to angle this all the way around. Now we're going to place the mouth in behind. Let's start on the left side. We're going to curve this down in behind the cane. Continue in the middle, going back up towards the right. Let's go back to the left side. We're going to open up the mouth with a large half circle, coming down, around, and then up. Let's add those two teeth in the center. We'll start with two lines, one coming down in behind the cane, come down on the right, go across, and we'll split this in half. Now along the top, we're going to add the tongue. So we're going to start underneath the cane, curve this around, and then back up. Now with the face complete, let's draw the lower half of the head. From the outside of the left eye, we're going to step out, curve around the mouth, come down in the center, go all the way out on the right, and then bend that in. Now we're going to connect the ends with a curve going in behind the eyelid. We're going to go up and in, curve this in between, and come down. Now we're going to add the ears. Starting from this point, curve this up, come around, and then in. Let's add a fold, going up and then out. Now we're going to round up the edge of the hat brim, starting on the left, going out and back in. Let's connect the ends by closing off the top with another curve. Over on the left side, we're going to add some mistletoe, starting with the berries. Start with a small circle, go to the left side, draw another circle, and then one more across the top. And then we're going to add two leaves going out. Start on the left side, going out and then down. Go up and out along the top. Now from the tips, we're just going to curve this down and then in behind the berries. Let's layer this one in behind. Let's go back down to the top corners of the hat brim. It's going to curve the hat, going up and in behind. And we'll just continue up and then in towards the middle. Go all the way out and then back down on the right. Now going back up to the top, we're going to draw a circle in behind that tip. So starting on the left, we're going to go all the way around and back in. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw on the collar. We're going to start on the side of the head, across the bottom, angle it down and then out. We're going to add a point. Come straight in along the side. Let's add another point. Angle this down and out. Now I want to pull this back in towards the inside. And we're going to add one small point in the center. From these 2 points, we're going to step out, draw two straight lines coming down towards the hips. Close off the bottom with a curve. Now we're going to step up and draw that again. From the center of the body, let's step down, draw a straight line going across, Now you want to bend the legs. We're going to go out and then back in towards the heels. Let's go over towards the left side. We want to round out the bottom of the foot and come down and then up. Now let's round out the foot, come in and then back down towards the heel. On top of each foot, let's add a circle. Now we're going to go back up to the hips and draw the outside of the leg. We're going to follow that same curve, going out and then down on top of the feet. From the inside of the legs, we're going to add a curve going up and then out towards the side. Let's step down and add another curve for the bottom edge of the shorts. Let's add a few more curves coming down for the stripes. Just going to add 3 on either side. And then along the bottom, we're going to add a zigzag pattern. Coming down, let's add 3 points. Going across towards the inside of the leg. Now let's go back up to the top and draw the arms tucked in underneath the collar. From the side of the body, we're going to step out, then the arm going out, and then down towards the wrist. From the wrist, draw a small half circle for the thumb, and then close off the end with a small bracket. Let's add 3 fingers on either side. From the bottom of the thumb, we come around and then in around that bracket, come down to the side, there in the second finger, and then the third finger, we're just going to pull this in towards the outside of the wrist. Let's close off the wrist with a curve. Now from the outside of the hand, we're going to draw the same curve, going up underneath the collar on both sides. And then we'll add a cuff. Now I'm going to go back to the center and add that belt buckle. Start with 2 lines on either side. Let's trace this rectangle along the inside. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color. And that's pretty much it. There's Jeffy the elf from Super Mario Logan. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you do, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each day. We're also showing how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you again soon.